living out late, tryna catch an Uber. Night fade away so quick, it was a blooper. We needed to get home, baby, we were troopers. We're a couple cuties with some matching Mini Coopers. Slowly forgetting about the PTSD. Thank God that my ex-girl left me. Every day, everyone's checking on me. I be feeling so shit, won't you please let me be? Just believe me, you'll find it easy, cause you ain't needing someone with problems in the evening. I be texting different girls drunk when you're leaving. How did I receive messages you ain't reading? Just believe me, you'll find it easy, cause you ain't needing someone with problems in the evening. I be texting different girls drunk when you're leaving. How did I receive messages you ain't reading?